In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana, a tool that can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the process, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of each step along the way. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and go to Asana's homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Enter your email address as prompted and click on Continue. This will take you to the password entry screen, where you'll need to input your password. Once you've done that, just click on Login, and there you have it, you're on your Asana homepage, ready for the next steps. Once you're on the homepage, find and select a project that you want to create a task template for. This is your starting point for creating a more efficient and repeatable task structure within your projects. Click on the project to go inside and start customizing it to meet your needs. With the project open, you should see a Customize button within your project interface. Click on it and you'll find several options to tailor your project to your specific needs. Look for the Add button once you're in the customization menu and select it. This is where you can begin the process of creating a task template. In the list of options that appears after clicking Add, you'll see an option for Task Template. Click on it and you'll be presented with a new window where you can start designing your template. It's here that you want to think about the typical tasks you regularly perform, making sure your template includes all the necessary elements needed for your specific workflows. The first thing you'll want to do is give your template a name. Choose something descriptive that will easily remind you of the template's purpose whenever you or a team member sees it. This is an opportunity to ensure everyone can immediately recognize and utilize the template effectively. After naming your template, simply press Done. This action saves your task template within your project, making it readily available for you and your team to use whenever you start a new task or project. Now, to see your freshly created template in action, open the Task Templates section located within the customization options of your project. You should now see your task template ready for use. Congratulations, you've successfully created a task template in Asana. This will significantly enhance your productivity, allowing you to apply a consistent structure to tasks and projects with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.